This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Smith Mountain Lake real estate property video is presented by Dana Montgomery. The Cottages at Contentment Island, spectacular views and luxury lakefront living. This beautifully upgraded, maintenance-free townhouse offers one of the best views in the Cottages at Contentment Island, featuring breathtaking sights of the main channel, and the Peaks of Otter. Perfectly situated for convenience, the deeded boat slip is directly in front of the unit, making access effortless, just a short walk compared to other units. The boat lift features a remote control, automatic touchless boat cover and includes a jet ski lift and storage area. Designed for comfort and style, this move-in ready home boasts an open floor plan with a main floor primary suite and numerous recent upgrades, including complete kitchen remodel, west/new cabinets, west/island, 5-burner gas cooktop, wall. For more information.